Alright, so this is exactly the spot where the accident happened that I reported a few days ago on this road, and how dangerous this road is. So God so kind, Wike has started constructing the road. So shout out to Wike, come. Now, the major problem of this road is because of the patches on the road. So because of the, what do they call it, erosion on wash some parts, people try to avoid, and if you notice, this road does not have a partition, right? There's no partition, there's no marking. So when there is a bump on the road, or maybe the road quota don't wash, there's a gallop on the road, people try to avoid that side and go to the other lane, right? So while they try to avoid this one, trying to go to the other lane, boom, an accident happened. So now, we started doing the work. Last place that the accident happened. But looking at the ground, you know the road is very bad. So why they try to avoid people coming from this part, the road is they call this road now 2 lane, I be 1 lane road, 2 lane. So the road is, there's some people coming like this and other people coming like this. Why they try to avoid this place, they go to the next lane, boom, the accident happened. This is the exact place where the other accident happened. So shout out to Wike on this one. I'll sing you a song, Wike. Wike, I thank you. Oh. You do well, I thank you. You don't make the road one better. I go to love you forever. You be Wike. And also, I saw the bridge you are doing in Galadima, so I can't wait for that to finish. So shout out to you, Wike. Now I can wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. You don't do well. You dey try. But now that land is the only problem. So the only thing they need to do on this road now is simple. They just need to partition it and create the lines. If they can partition and create lines, boom, the road is done.